Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome to our monthly meeting today on Monday, December the 13th, 2021. Introduce me, Alicia Dianti, as the secretary who will quit meeting this morning. If we are all here, let's get started. First of all, I'd like you to please join me in welcoming Mrs. Aura Desis, our CEO of PT Makmur Jaya.
Thank you for having me. I'm looking forward to today's meeting.
Together, we have also Mrs. Grandis as the head of the production division of PT Makmur Jaya and Mrs. Fani as the head of the marketing division of PT Makmur Jaya.
Hello.
Hello. I'd also like to introduce Mrs. Fidela as the CEO of PT Berkah Santosa, who recently joined our team.
May I also introduce my marketing division, Dodi?
Welcome, Mr. Dodi. I am afraid of National Sales Director, Mrs. Joanna can be with us today. She is in Papua at the moment, developing our far ESL course. Let's get started. The purpose of this meeting is to talk about product development and marketing strategy for this perfume product. We will go with first, opening from our CEO of PT Makmur Jaya. Second, report on the result of last month meeting. Third, presentation on perfume product development. And fourth, presentation on perfume marketing strategy. 5, in memorandum of agreement on cooperation, and the last of closing. I would like to invite Mrs. Aura Deris as the CEO of our company to deliver a speech at this meeting. To Mrs. Aura Deris, I invite you.
Thank you, Mrs. Alicia. Previously, I would like to introduce myself. I am Aura Deris as the CEO of PT Makmur Jaya. First of all, let us welcome our business partner, Mrs. Fidela from PT Berkah Santosa. This monthly meeting is different from the previous meeting because at this meeting, Mrs. Fidela from PT Berkah Santosa had the opportunity to attend our meeting. Alright, today we will discuss strategies for treating new products in the form of perfumes in our business, which are made using natural ingredients, namely rose. Alright, to shorten the time, I leave it to Mrs. Alicia to continue the next session.
The next agenda is a report on result of last month meeting. For Mrs. Aura Deris, I invite you to confirm the result of last month's meeting.
Let's get started. We are here today to discuss product development and marketing strategy for this perfume product. First, let's go over the report from the last meeting, which was held on August 30. Right, Mr. Fani, over to you.
Thank you, Ms. Aura. Let me just summarize the main points of the last meeting. We began the meeting by agreeing on changes in the selection of the main raw materials of our perfume, which were discussed on August 30. After briefly revising the changes that will occur, we switched to choosing to use the main raw material of rose. You'll find a copy of the main idea developed and discussed in the session at the links I've shared in the comment. The meeting was declared closed at 1:30.
Thank you, Mrs. Fani. So, if there is nothing else we need to discuss, let's move on to today's agenda. Have you all received a copy of today's agenda? If you don't mind, I'd like to skip item 2 and move on to item 3. Presentation of perfume product development. Mrs. Grandis kindly agreed to make a presentation of this matter. to Mrs. Grandis, I invite you to start the presentation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to make a presentation at this meeting. My name is Bunga Sylvia Grandis, as the head of the production division of PT Makmur Jaya. On this opportunity, I'm going to talk about our perfume product development. To start with, describe the product development. Then I mentioned the 3 steps to make a plan in the development of this perfume product. Finally, I summarize my presentation. I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. First of all, I describe the product development. Product development is the process required to bring a product from being a concept to raising the market. There are many steps required to take a product from the early stage in process, from product to research and development, manufacture and distribution. Well, I told you about the product development description. Next, I will mention the 3 steps to make a plan in the development of this perfume product. How to make a plan in the development of this perfume product can be done in 3 steps within class. 1. Start with a product development. 1. Start with a product vision. This product vision will alike everyone around a common goal for this perfume product. This is followed by the mission of the perfume product and unlimited goal of perfume product. Who the perfume product is for and what is does for him. Finally, it establish some guiding principle to further work. With this perfume product vision and mission statement, the main goal of the product can be established. There's my little anchor in the early stage, like friendly product market fit, but they can quickly develop into a scale product. This mascot target have shaped the further enhancement and capitalize the product net activate them. Two, make a roadmap. Assuming customer research and validation has taken place, the product team and develop this perfume product roadmap, processing the significant themes that will be discussed developed into the product roadmap further. That mission and target can be set, but there should be minimal focus on that and maximum attention paid to creative flow and adapting perfume product good and perform again key metric. 3. Implement a roadmap for maximum impact. Once the perfume roadmap is approved, in time to make it happen, the implementation then can create success. Breakdown implementation them into spirit and product in the direction of perfume product. In a feedback loop from customer, sales, and support team in the vision new opportunity, point or flaw, and highlight areas for shaping, improving, and expanding. Form here is a way of reviewing data, surveys, feedback, and continuation updating the perfume product roadmap. We're preparing a perfume product backlog to exert and development can in users for maximum impact. In closing, product development is the process required to bring a product from being a content talk to trade the market. There are many steps required to take a product from the early stage in the product development process, from product idea generation and market research stock to raise and development and distribution. And there are development of this perfume product that is start with product vision, make a roadmap, and implement and road for maximum impact. I think that enough presentation of my presentation material. I thank you all for being so excited as audience. Can I answer any question?
Excuse me, Mrs. Grandis. I did not quite get what you said about the step to make a plan in the development of this perfume product number 1. Could you repeat that, please?
It's true that I'm also didn't quite catch what you said about the steps to make a plan in the development of this perfume product number 1. Could you repeat that, please, Miss Grandis?
Okay, I will repeat the step to make a plan in the development of this perfume product number 1. Step number 1 is start with a product vision. This product vision will align everyone around a common goal for this perfume product. This is followed by the mission of this perfume product and the ultimate goal of the perfume product. Who the perfume product is for and which is thus for them. Finally, it establishes some guiding process for future work. With this perfume product vision and mission statement, the main goal of the product can be established. This may be a little angry in the early stage, like finding a product market fit, but they can quickly develop into a scalable product. This scalable package have set the factor and have enhancement and vitalize the product net. This clear, Mr. Dodi and Mrs. Fanny.
Thank you, Mrs. Grandis, for being willing to repeat the step to make a plan in the development of this perfume product number 1.
I can also understand the step to make a plan in the development of this perfume product number 1. Thank you, Ms. Grandis, for being willing to repeat the explanation.
presentation material by Mrs. Grandis. Does anyone want to convert critique and suggestion? If there is, I invite.
I think that's a great idea. We can combine them, or in other words, we do three things that are intent so that our perfume product can develop well. But I want to add one step for product development. The step for product development from me are develop goals. Because the first step in the planning process is to determine what you want to achieve during the planning period. A long-term strategic plan may focus on achieving a specific market share over the next 5 years, while a department-level operations plan may target implementing a new method for tracking sales order in the next quarter. We will focus on the annual goal for our perfume product sales, so we should start by setting sales goals for our term for the next years, and also define a project we want to implement that automates the sales order process. What about the others? Do you have a different opinion?
I agree on the step. To make a plan in the development of perfume products that have been configured by Ms. Grandis, especially in the second step, because assuming the customer rest and validation that has been done, the product team will be able to develop this perfume product roadmap, prioritizing the important themes that will be discussed here as we will dive deeper into the product roadmap further. Achievements and targets by that can be set, but there should be minimal focus on that and maximum attention paid to creating value and aligning perfume goals and performance against key metrics, so that in the end it will help in determining product sales to the maximum.
I agree on the step to make a plan in the development of perfume product that has been present by Mrs. Grandis. But here I want to provide additional step to make a plan in the development of perfume product, namely business analytics. During the new product development process, build a system of metrics to monitor progress. Include input metrics such as shelf time in aspect, as well as output metrics that measure the value of launched products. Percentage of new product sales and other figures that provide valuable feedback. It is important for an organization to be in agreement for this criteria and metrics. Even if an idea does, this tip is very influential in product development in order to get maximum result from a perfume that will be loved and sought after by many people.
That's an excellent addition to making plans in the development of perfume product, Mr. Dodi.
I think so too. I think these 4 steps are very effective and efficient in the development of this perfume product.
The head of the marketing division of PT Makmur Jaya with a presentation topic perfume marketing strategy. To Mrs. Fanny, I invite you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. I would like to thank you for giving me the opportunity to make a presentation at this meeting. My name is Fani Natasha, as the head of the marketing division of PT Makmur Jaya. On this opportunity, I'm going to talk about the perfume marketing strategy. To start with, I'll describe about digital marketing. Then I'll explain why is a marketing strategy for a new product important. After that, I mention 3 marketing strategy that we use to launch our perfume product. Finally, I'll summarize my presentation. I'll try to answer any of your questions after the presentation. First of all, I'll describe about digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customers using the internet and other forms of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia message as a marketing channel. Essentially, if a marketing campaign involves digital communication, it's digital marketing. Well, I've told you about the describe about digital marketing. Next, I'll explain why is a marketing strategy for a new product important. Why is a marketing strategy for a new product important? As with any new endeavor, it is important to have specific goals for what you want to achieve and a plan for how you will achieve them. For a new product, it's crucial to do market research. Define who your potential buyers or sellers are, and create a strategy for how you will reach those groups. Having these things clearly talk out will greatly increase your chance of success. So without further ado, let's look at some marketing strategy for new products. Well, I've told you about why is a marketing strategy for a new product important. Next, I'll mention 3 marketing strategy that we use to launch our perfume products. The 3 marketing strategy that we use to launch our perfume products are 1. Set pre-launch rewards. For a product to take off quickly, you need to create a feeling of anticipation and excitement for its release weeks or even months in advance. One of the most popular ways to do this is through pre-launch giveaway and contests. Give your product to an exclusive group of lucky participants in exchange for their help to spread the word. There are various options like Instagram contests, create challenge on social media, giveaway, whichever option you choose, try to create content or ideas that can help your product go viral. For example, ask users to share the participation on social media or create a nice TikTok challenge. Be creative in your message to make sure people don't see them as spam and offer extra point for bringing friends. 2. Create shareable content. Creating content consistently is one of the most reliable digital marketing strategy, especially in the medium to long term. Invest the time to create a high quality blog that talks about your business or relate topics that consumers will be interested in reading. The goal is to get to use themselves to share your content, bringing traffic to your website on a regular basis. 3. Create a recommendation system. Word of mouth continues to be a very effective way to spread the word about a new product or service. Users naturally talk to their friends about the product they use and recommend. You can also give them a little push to get the wheel spinning. How? By creating an incentive system for recommendation. Everyone loves getting free stuff, so all you have to do is offer them a discount, coupon, or free shipping in exchange for them telling their friends. In conclusion, digital marketing, also called online marketing, is the promotion of brands to connect with potential customer using the internet and other form of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and website advertising, but also text and multimedia message as a marketing channel. Essentially, if a marketing campaign involves digital communication, it's digital marketing. The new product marketing strategy is a very important aspect in the product launch process because if we can implement this strategy, especially the digital marketing strategy, our platform product will automatically sell well in the market and be sought after by consumers. I think that's enough presentation of my presentation material. May I thank you all for being such an attentive audition. Are there any questions?
I think the idea is good. However, I will add a marketing strategy that I think will further support the success in marketing this perfume. The marketing strategy I want to add is site speed optimization, because nothing is more frustration than a website that takes a long time to load. A fast and fluid website improves users' experience and brand perception. With a high speed, it will be easy for us to upload our perfume product in online sales applications so that our product will reach consumer quickly. This will have an impact on increasing the purchase of our perfume product as well.
I agree with you, Mrs. Aura.
That's a great idea, Mrs. Aura.
I agree with Ms. Aura. Additional strategy, but I will add one more strategy which I think is quite important to implement in launching our perfume product. My additional strategies: prepare our fact before launching our perfume product. When we launch a new product or service, users usually have a lot of questions about how it works and what they can do with it. The more innovative, the more we have to explain it. My recommendation is to complete as much as possible and prepare ahead of time by making the frequently asked question section complete and easy to find. Ideally, encourage users to visit it before contacting us with their question and make it as easy to access as possible. We can even include facts in our social content as a way to answer new user questions and share how our perfume product works.
This is a good addition to making a strategy in launching our perfume product, Mr.
I also think so. The method is effective and efficient.
Alright, since we are already in one voice, it becomes clear what will we do in starting the production as well as in marketing this perfume.
Of understanding of cooperation between PT Berkah Santosa and PT Makmur Jaya, please our Mrs. Aura and Mrs. Fadila.
By signing this memo, PT Makmur Jaya agreed to carry out cooperation.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Videla. As the CEO of PT Makmur Jaya, I hope we will work very well together.
You're welcome.
Unfortunately, we are running short of time. We have to leave that to another time. Before we close, let me just summarize the main point. The first, product development is the process required to bring a product from being a concept to reaching the market. There are many steps required to take a product from the early stage in the product development process, from product idea generation and market research to research and development, manufacturing and distribution. And the second, how to make a plan in the development of this perfume product can be done in 5 steps, which include first, start with product vision, and second, make a roadmap, third, implement and roadmap for maximum impact, and fourth, develop goals, and the last, business analytics. And then third, digital marketing, also online marketing, is the promotion of brand to connect with potential customer using the internet and other form of digital communication. This includes not only email, social media, and web-based advertising, but also text and multimedia message as a marketing channel. Essentially, if a marketing campaign involves digital communication, it's digital marketing. And 5, marketing strategy for a new product important because As with any new endeavor, it is important to have specific goal for what you want to achieve and a plan for how you will achieve them. For a new product, it is crucial to do market research, define who your potential buyers or clients are, and then create a strategy for how you will reach those groups. Having this things clearly talk out will greatly increase your chance of success. So without further ado, let's look at some marketing strategies for new product. And the last of marketing strategies to launch product is first, set pre-launch reward, and two, create shareable content, and third, create a recommendation system, and four, set speed optimization, and the last of prepare our stock before launching our product.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Alicia. Rex, look like we've covered the main items. Is there any additional strategy in the launch of this perfume product?
Can we fix the next meeting, please?
Good idea, Mrs. Videla. How does Friday in 2 weeks time sound of everyone? Let's meet at the same time, 9 o'clock. Is that good for everyone?
I think good for everyone.
I think so too.
How about you, Mr. Dodi?
I really agree with the plan to hold another meeting on Friday in 2 weeks' time.
Now I return to Mrs. Alicia as secretary.
Everyone, welcome to our meeting today. Meeting closed. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wabarakatuh.